Spark. There it is.
All right, sweet.
We're verifying. I should probably get one. I'm telling you now, we're verifying 50 easy. If
yeah.
save the battery until we get
It is so foggy. Holy cow.
Just so I could tell my parents I did something very stupid. No, this is absolutely stupid. This is how you die, but it's okay. Peter would do it. No, yeah, he would. If Peter were here right now, he'd have it.
Okay, where's the freaking trail at?
Oh, we're on the right.
Okay.
Yeah,
I can't see crowd.
I've never been here. I like that.
I know where stuff is, I just can't see where it is. Dude, this is nuts. This is actually nuts.
Gotta love it. The fun thing is the warm air connection. So
Yeah.
It's
not gonna be in that cold.
Alright, it should be.
I should see a road on the left hand.
Here
Yeah. Okay, we're good.
Alright, two things. Number one, if you hear cracking wood, run. Run to your fucking life. I don't know if y'all ever heard a tree fall personally. It's one of these trees.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, yeah, Mark, we're gonna put together a video out of this. I'm gonna record a lot of footage on our way up.
I'm recording right now, boy. It's only a half mile.
Why not? Yeah, but we're going under a lot more trees.
Do we want to do this?
I don't know. I don't think so, but I think we need to take the easier option.
Yeah, I feel like we should take the road.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do the road.
Responsibilities.
Is that thunder?
No.
Okay, I thought I heard thunder.
I thought I heard that too. I didn't hear it. I thought it was thunder. This is real. This is easily overperforming already.
Oh yeah, 100%. I think we have to go to the southern part of the cliffs where like the best view is. You know what I'm talking about?
So we're actually going all the way up?
I think we have to.
And then just like.
Because that's the view that faces south.
I thought it faced west.
I think it faces southwest actually. Yeah.
So is this the way to the weather station as well?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. The worst is on the north side of the mountain.
Got it. And because we're getting a southerly flow.
It's not. The winds aren't as blowing as hard as it should be up there.
The wind.
Oh boy.
Oh. Wind's already picking up coming at us, so it's a good sign. We should have brought goggles or something.
I brought goggles. I got my ski goggles ready. No, I talked to him about doing this today.
What did he say?
He said Ball Knob's like the best place to do it, just for the southerly winds. Oh my gosh!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Hell yeah! What way is wind blowing here? I couldn't see that. It's going this way.
Oh my hat! Shoot! My hat!
Where's the hat?
It's right here. There it is. Frick! Frick, dude! Frick! Okay, that was
60.
That was like that was.
You said that was 60.
Yeah, that was definitely 60.
Wonder.
What?
We watched this radar loop. Oh no.
Frick, do we not have service? Okay, we do.
See that dry slot?
Yeah.
That's our chance. I'm gonna get to the top before that.
Okay.
I'm kind of nervous about our trip onward. Onward. The way.
Oh. Yeah, it's whipping.
I can't see. There she be.
There it is. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm waiting too. Where's the gust? Come on.
That's so ominous, dude. Alright, dude, look for the sign. Right.
Yep, here it is. This is it.
To overlook.
Alright, this is where the madness begins.
Alright.
Here we go. Oh Lord.
Which way?
To your left, I think. Yeah, this way.
I know. Wait, I wish you Hey, well, take a swig up, throw it in the air, and what way is the wind? It feels like it should be right here.
I can't. It's going this way.
Alright, what's to our left? That's where the overlook.
There's literally nothing over this. Oh, wait. I remember these rocks. Remember this? This is it. Remember this like sketchy part of the trail before the cliffs? This is it right here. Yes, leave beyond this. This is it. Let's go. Yes. Let's go.
Harry, best put your butt down and slide.
Yeah, just slide.
We couldn't find it.
I thought we got lost.
Oh,
there it is. Let's go. We have to be careful here.
Let's go.
Let's be safe. Oh.
If we come across like a down tree or something, I'll get out.
Yeah.
Like, video quickly and hop back in the car. I legit can't see anything.
I know. I'm just relying on the yellow line. I'm just following that. That's the only thing I can see. It was what?
It was just leaves.
Oh, okay.
There's just a lot of small branches right now.
We know that one.
Yeah, there's a massive tree up here somewhere.
It's way down.
I do know that the one that like that a tree that was like facing like up is on our side. So
Yeah, I know.
I just have to be super careful about
Good thing it's
that.
on. Good thing Harry will do before me.
Yay.
Oh wait, what's this? Oh, that's just a
Just sharp turn.
oh good.
Here it is. Big tree.
Where's it going?
He's going to get one with the car.